Whether you store a few bestsellers in your garage or rent a warehouse, that inventory represents money you've already spent, and it's vulnerable to all kinds of risk. Fire, flooding, theft, and even simple accidents can damage your stored goods. And if damaged stock somehow gets shipped and causes harm, you could also face liability claims on top of your property loss. A business owner's policy from Next Insurance combines property coverage to replace or repair damaged inventory with general liability coverage in case those products cause injury or damage. It's like having two insurance policies working together, one to protect your stock and one to protect your business reputation and finances. A business owner's policy from Next Insurance combines property coverage to replace or repair damaged inventory with fast online quotes, clear coverage terms, and plans designed for e-commerce sellers. Next Insurance makes it easy to get the right protection without overcomplicating the process. Your inventory is too valuable to leave unprotected. Click the link in the description to get your business owner's policy code from Next Insurance today.